4, 3, 2, 1.
Chains. Alright, go to orange.
Oh,
Oh,
soul shape didn't work this time.
Yeah, I fucked up
that
too.
day.
Alright, just keep going, because I want to look at the percentages. Get this abductor down fast.
Smuffy, next change is all you.
Oh,
Chains.
come on.
I'll do my Devo for this too.
That's
I
68,
dropped it.
67.
Devo's just a DR.
66.4.
Alright, I'll take the abductor.
Okay. Do you need me to take it or?
Nope, I'm good.
I'm going to change the sites.
Yeah, left side needs a lot more help.
No, just keep going, keep going.
Get this fucker to move.
Alright, kill it. Kill them both.
I can drop the chain debuff.
Alright, good.
Interesting.
Alright, Jay, you ready for the next one?
I got him, Beef. I got him.
Okay.
Chains. Got him.
Got the abductor.
Alright, go to orange. Alright, I taunted him.
Smuffy, do you have something?
Yep.
Perfect.
Get this died down quick.
Hot boss. Hold on.
Hellstones and shit.
Chains.
Helping you now.
Got him.
Got abductor.
Alright, get this abductor down now. And then slow DPS on the boss. Alright, now push boss. Once this abductor drops. Good. Push him, push him, push him. Good. Get to your locations.
We got 2 dead now.
Yeah, I'm gonna get Weiss up here in a second. Weiss, you're up.
Hello.
Hello.
So,
We need some help on the right side.
Yep. Kinjin, go rotate right.
I'll go.
Got
I'll go.
it.
I'm faster.
Alright,
Oh.
Wessel's got it, never mind.
Okay. Probably. I don't know. I just work here, bro.
Alright, stay focused. Right side's catching up, good. Alright, kill him. Left side's down.
Nice.
Lust right now, right?
Lust.
Lust, yep, lust now.
I have my big healing cooldown up, and my other one's in 1 minute.
Use it next. Day and I
I'll
will
have,
get one
I'll have
after.
big, I'll have big too.
We got a puddle right in the middle of us.
Yeah, it's ugly.
I got the abductor. Go orange. Everybody go orange quickly.
Gonna use my
Defensives
cooldown
if you
now.
can. Defensives if you can. Just stand right here. Just stand right here on this platform right here. Me and the tank will rotate over. Just focus boss. Focus boss. Alright, I'm down.
I got it.
Everyone's stacked.
That-
That should be good.
Ah, we
Nice.
got
Good
it.
job.
Yeah, we fucking go.
Congrats.
Ba-da-da-da-da-da-da-da.
Good job, guys.
Ooh, ocular gland. Nice.
Ooh, that's cool.
I don't need this, but it's an eye